Well, welcome back. We're here at the MX-5 Club of New Zealand Show and Shine Day. Basically a big coffee and cars style meet, particularly for MX-5s. Come along with me, we're going to have a tour through the day, look at some great cars.
I'm Josh, and this is the 98 SE MX-5 that I own. So I've owned it just under 4 years.
Now, the first thing I noticed about your car, Josh,
Yes.
was not what's happening under here, which is a lot.
Yep.
It was the dyno sheet on the dashboard.
Yes.
Was what kind of stood out to me first.
Yes.
And I'm seeing, yeah, a lot of power.
So I've got Garrett G, I think it's a GT 2560. So it's a SR 20 deck turbo. Basically, it's got a Synco manifold. It's got upgraded spark plugs, injectors, and fuel pump has all been upgraded. It's basically just a weekend car meets. I do not daily this, I would not daily it. It's just too nice to daily, being honest with you. And it's going to end up being a track car. So that's why I've got the custom half gauge. To be honest, I love this car more than myself.
Marley, thanks for your time, thanks for talking to me. Tell me a bit about your car.
I bought this about 3 years ago. She was fully stock white, and slowly over the years I've restored it. I'm a car painter myself, so over the years I've just kind of bare metaled it, painted it up, custom colour. You'll never find another one this colour because I made it myself, no colour code to it. So it's a 3-layer pearl, custom colour, so yeah, love it.
It's absolutely amazing.
Thank
and
you.
I love seeing a car in a unique colour. How much time went into painting it?
I would say overall probably about 50 hours, 40, 50 hours. So
God, that's beautiful.
I just wanted like a head turner, something a bit different, and in the sun it just pops, so we love that.
Absolutely amazing. The MX-5's Italian cousin has arrived. I'm here with Adam. Most people watching this will know, but this is a Fiat 124 Abarth Spider.
Yes.
This is underneath kind of an ND, but the engine is a Fiat 1.4 turbo.
Yep.
Yep, which sounds phenomenal. I mean, these sound better than any ND.
With the NC gearbox.
With the NC 6-speed gearbox,
Yeah.
because Fiat, of all people, worked out before anybody else that the gearbox is on the ND. I've got an RF.
Oh.
I made of glass.
Oh.
And that the NC gearbox is much stronger, which is,
Well,
I think, partly why they went for it, isn't
They
it?
did it because of the turbo. They
of the
weren't too
turbo.
sure it would take the torque.
Yeah.
I was looking for something manual, newer than 2015, and different. And I came across this. It's the 1.4 multi-air turbo.
These sound great, and they go really well as well.
Yeah.
So I think from memory, correct me if I'm wrong, I think from factory they're about 170 horsepower.
Yep.
So they are actually, they haven't got as much power as an ND2, but they've got
No.
more than an ND1. Yeah. And how often do you see other ones?
I've never seen another one.
Yeah, they were rare here. They're rare, aren't they? What I love about these on the inside, and I've already said this to Adam off camera, but there's a couple of things. The first is the rev counter. Actually looks like a sports car's rev counter, other than something Mazda chucked on a CX-5. And the steering wheel with that centre line looks gorgeous. It's got the metal pedals, which is actually, you can get those on the Mazda, but it's a Mazda accessory. They're not factory on these. It just looks great. It's just more sports carish to me. The door cards are different in the Fiat.
Yeah, the door cards, slight differences in the A-pillars as well, because the A-pillars come down, and then this has got coloured in the ND.
On the ND they're coloured.
And then it goes along.
They're body toned, yeah. New Adam's car would generate a lot of interest. Really cool to see a Abarth Spider. So this is Frank. Frank, thanks for having a chat, mate. Talk to me about, because I don't know a heck of a lot about these NB coupes, so give us a little rundown.
Well, it's quite interesting. Mazda decided to have a bit of a flurry when the NB was coming to the end of its lifespans. They decided to do a hardtop, and there was an ability for people to go into their dealership between October 2003 and April 2004 and place an order taken off the production line halfway through and sent down a separate production line where their own engineers fit a hardtop and turn it into a coupe. So at this stage, as far as we know, there's only 179 of these built. It's very hard to tell how many are left in circulation at the moment, but they are definitely getting very rare. I've currently got 3, including this one. This one here is a Type S, which is basically the non-aeroed basic body shell, but it's based on the 1.8 6-speed RS platform.
It's just, I suppose the fit and finish that went into them, like you look at all that trim around the back and all that's all factory, eh?
Exactly. No, everything that was done on it was done to a very high spec.
Yeah.
The hood linings, mouldings and everything it all looked like it's a high volume production car, but it actually wasn't. Very low production volume indeed. But yeah, definitely a solid metal top. It's got obviously a roof, different rear quarters and boot lid, basically, which are the new panels which go on this car. Being a coupe too, it's very rigid. There's not a lot of scuttle, well there is no scuttle in it actually, when you're driving it. So quite a few of the lower spec 1600 cars were converted in Japan for racing, motor racing. So that probably got rid of a fair few of these. It's a beautiful example. I bought this off a retailer in Japan. So this wasn't through the auctions, this was off a retail yard. That's how hard these are getting to find. You don't see a lot of these coming up at auction in Japan these days.
Well, thanks for coming. What a fantastic day. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the show and shine. Over 200 cars, how fantastic. Looking forward to doing it all again next year. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. More to come, stay tuned.